Water is the lifeblood of our state, from the fruits and vegetables that California produces to the water we drink and the streams that feed our wildlife.
However, California is undergoing a mega drought, the worst drought seen in the American West in 1,200 years. Nationwide implications are present, and food prices are rising as farmers fight for resources.
Hi, I am Danika Gupta.
And I'm Pavitra Kasturi.
And our app, AquaTamer, uses AI, satellite-based evapotranspiration data, and real-time weather data to help gardeners understand how much water their plants need.
80% of our water is used for agriculture. Every day, our state makes difficult decisions to balance water use and plant health. Climate change causes rapid shifts that further complicate water needs assessments.
We have experienced this issue personally. Our gardens were dying. If we overwatered our plants, the plants would die. If we underwatered them, they would dry up and also end up dying.
Evapotranspiration, or ET, is the combination of evaporation from the soil and transpiration from plants. One of the biggest challenges in water management is cost-effective, adaptive, and easy access to ET data. ET levels depended on the plant species, the location, and environmental conditions.
In our app, the user first takes a photo and our AI identifies the plant species. Next, the app determines the user's GPS location and accesses real-time ET data from OpenET, which assesses ET from satellite imagery gathered by NASA and the USGS. We apply a crop coefficient to adapt to the plant species and provide location-specific rainfall data so that the user can decide how much extra water to add.
For example, we can see that the user has selected sugarcane, and the app specifies how much water is needed this week. Next, if we select sunflower, the app specifies a different amount of water. Our app's UI was designed to be easy to use, with all the controls at the bottom of the screen and the instructions at the top. The app connects to our website, aquatamer.org, which educates users about water conservation practices in California.
We trained our AI, a MobileNet V2 in TensorFlow, and built our app in Swift. Using Apple's GPS services and data from OpenET and the National Weather Service. We ran our AI in Amazon Web Services. With our app, anyone from farmers to home gardeners can make effective water choices.
We plan to submit our app to the App Store and provide it to farmers for feedback. We also plan to integrate soil sensors, crowdsource data from California plant owners, and expand to other drought-affected parts of the world.
California is one of the most productive agricultural regions in the world. Water is the most essential resource to help keep this production going. Join us to make every drop of water count.
Thank you.